In a sweeping expansion of immigration enforcement, the Trump administration is using sensitive government data like social security records, tax returns, and housing applications to locate undocumented immigrants and strip them of public benefits and even housing. From public housing to universities, agencies are now aggressively sharing data once protected under privacy rules. HUD plans to expel mixed status households affecting families where some members are legal residents and others are not. The Social Security Administration has added thousands, mostly Latino immigrants, to a database meant for the deceased, blocking their ability to work or claim benefits. Even college protesters are under scrutiny. The Education Department is reportedly gathering the names and nationalities of Gaza protesters, with whispers of potential visa revocations for foreign students. Experts warn this massive breach of privacy could set a dangerous precedent. One DHS official called the move long overdue, but critics argue it's weaponizing trust-based data, turning government systems into immigration surveillance tools. And while a judge recently halted some data access, insiders say federal officials are still pushing to get back in. This isn't just policy, it's a profound shift in how America treats the undocumented.